Alright friends, so I'm here at the gym. As you can see, I had to end up my workout a little bit early, but I'm about to get measurements. Look at my face. Ooh. Ooh. Anyways, I'm about to get measurements, so I just want to show you guys along while I do that. Okay, we're doing measurements now.
Okay, you ready?
What did you say?
12.
Ooh, sweaty.
Okay, arms up and do your chest next. Arms down. 36. Right above it is your belly button. If you're not there, I want you to put me there. 31 and 10-16. 31 and 10-16. Hips don't lie. 12 and 8-16. Left foot and the right foot. 25 and 3-16. Pick up your how does it look? A little good? Shoulders back and down. 16.
It's not looking good. Okay, so just did measurements, and I'll show you guys. This is today's. I'm currently 160. I gained weight. And my body fat percentage and all of that went up a little bit, which is interrupted. Sorry there, guys. So this is the measurements today. Today is the, oh gosh, what's today? The 12th. And this is my total inches lost, 215. The last measurements, I was at 216, so I lost an inch overall body weight, and that was in February. Should have been more. My body fat percentage has been going kind of up and down. I haven't been super consistent. My workouts, yes, but my eating, no. The goal is to get down. So, we'll see. We got this. Next month, let's try to get this down. Wouldn't it be amazing if I got this down 5 inches or even 10 inches to 205? That would be amazing. Alright friends, so made it home, and I'm just going to open this box with you guys. Starting today, which is April 12th until May 12th, I will be bringing you guys on this, ooh, I look rough, okay, rough. Bringing you on this 30-day challenge I'm giving myself. I have done Herbalife before. If you are not familiar with Herbalife, I will leave some information down below. If by the end of this journey, at the end of these videos, you're interested, check the links. I'm not a coach. I'm not a distributor. I know some people, it does work, but you got to put in the work too. This is just kind of a little push I'm giving myself, just an extra little push. Basically, what Herbalife is shakes, tablets, which are vitamins essentially, and some tea that kind of boosts your metabolism. I spoke to my trainer and he said, you know, if you are someone that is starting out in the gym and you struggle with your eating habits, struggle with kind of portion sizing and all this, then he said that he does recommend at least going 2 weeks with just doing shakes for meals, because it does help boost, like give you that little boost that you may need just to get your eating right, getting your portion sizes right, your calories on track, and then you'll start to see the results, which will essentially motivate you more to work harder, eat better, do better. So I'm gonna unbox this with you now. Okay, so this is the box. It's a pretty big box here. Your Herbalife right there. Now there's some other nutrition diets, if that's what you want to call them, lifestyle changes. My mom actually is a coach for one, so if you guys have other questions, you know, let me know. She is a coach for a program called Optavia. This program right here, that's another one you could do. If you do have questions, again, like I said, just let me know and I can have her answer them for you. But basically what you get here, 2 protein drink mix, and you would get 2 Formula 1 healthy meals. So my favorite is cookies and cream. I decided to try out the coffee latte because, you know, I love my coffee. So I figure if it tastes like coffee, if it tastes good, I'm going to drink it. You got your tablets, which this is the cellulose. This is the tea concentrate. But yeah, so that's basically it right there. I will show you guys when I make my shakes. If you have questions, let me know. So, yeah. Good morning, friends. Okay, so I made my first round of Herbalife, which includes 2 scoops of the protein, 2 scoops of the Formula 1, I think it's 6 to 8 ounces of water, and I like to put ice cubes in it just to make it colder. But I'm going to shake it up right now, and I'm going to have some. I actually chose coffee latte today because I'm in the mood for a coffee, so hopefully this will curb my craving for coffee. And before I have that, I had my cellulose. You take 3 of these a day, 1 with each meal. And then when I come back, I'll have this, because you're supposed to have 1 cup of tea after each, I think it's after each shake, 2 servings a day. So, I had my water this morning, water first always, and my shake. Okay, so I've never had the coffee latte before, so let's see how it tastes. It actually does taste like coffee, and I have the chocolate protein, so it's not bad. And the nice thing about the Herbalife shakes is it's not gritty, it's not like, I don't know, they're super smooth. So this is crazy. It does taste like coffee. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, hey friends, I just wanted to do a day 1 check-in for my Herbalife. So today was not too bad. I started the day off with my coffee latte shake, as I showed you guys, and then after that I had my tea, and then I didn't really have a snack in between. Did I have a snack? I did not have a snack, and then I had my lunch, which I had brown rice, black refried beans, and chicken with some salsa and some avocado salsa and some avocado. And then after that I had like a little bit of salad as a snack, and then I had my cookies and cream shake for my dinner. Now I am feeling a little hungry. I was a little hungry in between breakfast and lunch, but as the days go on, my hunger will start to dissipate, and I actually did not hit the gym today. We'll see how tomorrow goes, because tomorrow I start my day off with the gym training. So I'm going to start my morning off with my shake, and then I'm going to go to the gym. And so we'll see how my hunger is from there. When I work out, I tend to be a little bit more hungry. Just wanted to come in and do my day 1 check-in with you guys. We'll see how day 2 goes. All right, bye.